This video will demonstrate how to properly remove, adjust, and replace your top hung slide door on your true unit. First, you will need to remove the doors. For 2-door units, slide the front door so it is centered on the cabinet and positioned at the track openings. The door cannot be removed unless it is centered. After centering the door, lift up and tilt the top of the door towards the back of the unit so that the rollers are out of the top channel. This can only be removed if positioned at the track openings seen here. Swing the bottom of the door out of the bottom channel about 12 inches and remove the door. Then you will want to remove the door cord from the roller bracket. The black plastic tab holding the door cord slides out the back. Slowly let the door cord retract back to the track. Place the door to the side of the cabinet. Then slide the right door to the left so it is centered on the cabinet. Then lift the door out of the track and remove the door. Remove the door cord and set the door to the side of the cooler. You will then want to level the cabinet before making any adjustments to the doors. Make sure to level the cabinet from side to side and front to back. A door that is not level will not close properly. The fully adjustable rollers make leveling the door easy. Loosen the rollers, then adjust the height, up or down to raise or lower the door accordingly. Retighten the rollers once the proper adjustment has been made. When reinstalling the door, make sure the door grommet attaches to the roller slot closest to the pulley. Lift and center the door, aligning the rollers to the track slots while angling the bottom of the door away from the cabinet. Insert the rollers into the track slots and lower the door into the bottom channel. Then do the same for the other door. For 3-door models, the doors will be aligned a little differently for removal and insertion. To remove the center door, slide it to the right so the right light fixture is centered on the door. To remove the left door, align the right edge of the door with the 6th screw in the door channel from the left. To remove the right door, align the left edge of the door with the 5th screw in the door channel from the right. Lift and remove. For additional assistance or questions, please contact True's Technical Service Department at 1-855-372-1368.